So, what can you think about a coleslaw salad? I know some coleslaw salad is just the basic one, cabbage, a little bit of red cabbage, a little bit of carrots, and the green cabbage are mostly the very common one. But for me myself, I'd like to make it a little bit different. So guys, what goes in our coleslaw salad? I usually put apples. I added more carrots, lemon, and to give it a little bit more color, the pepper. So these are the other 4 ingredients that I usually put in my coleslaw salad. So I have here is a bag of coleslaw. It is already chopped cabbage, ready made. I mean, it is already chopped up, you know. See this? This is really cheap. It's only like $1.99 per bag. You can buy them anywhere in the store. It is already pre-washed, so you don't have to wash this. All you have to do is just put it in the bowl. So let's put this cabbage here in the bowl like that. This whole package is good for about 6 to 10 people, guys. Yes, see, you see how nice it is? Look, if you want to do your own shredding of your cabbage, you can do it too, but if you prefer to buy the ready-made package, then it's fine too. I usually just buy the ready one because, you know, when you buy a big cabbage, sometimes if you don't use all of it, it just go to waste. So because this big package is good for about, I would say, 6 to 10 people, and you know, if you have other things that goes with it, then you don't really need a whole bunch of coleslaw, guys. So now we're going to chop the rest of the other ingredients of this coleslaw. So I'm going to put this on the side there. So let's peel our carrots just like that. We already have carrots in our cabbage that we bought from the store, but I'd like to have more carrots in it, and I'd like to have more colors, so I want to add some more. Just like that. So guys, the easiest way and the fastest way to do this is to get a grater. So this is a grater, so you can just grate your carrots this way. It will go nice and easy like this. And after, I'll show you the result, because you know, you don't really need a lot, you just need a little bit more just to give more color to our coleslaw. See, if you like chopping, then go ahead, but you know, I'm trying to show you the faster way. This way you don't have to consume a lot of time doing this coleslaw salad. Now let's open up the grater. I got this, and let's put this there. Let's grab our coleslaw. So we put it in there, put it in, you see, so you kind of give it a good mix, toss everything. There you go. So like I'm saying, you can chop them up if you like, but I'm just showing you the faster way and the easier way. This way you don't consume a lot of time making this coleslaw. Just like that. And then we'll put this on the side. So next is the apple. So let's do the apple. So the apple, I would do them like julienne cut. So yeah, you can do like cut the apple into 4 quarters first, make it easier, or whatever you like, whatever you feel like. But I find this way easier to cut the apple. So I need to peel them. I mean, you can also include the peel, but I do prefer without the peel. So I'm going to peel these apples. and then cut them into julienne cut style. Like this. So I am only using 1 apple in my coleslaw because I don't really have a lot. Like I'm not making like a lot of coleslaw. It is just good for 4 persons. So I'm only putting 1 apple, but you can do 2 or 3 if you like, depending on how many people eating the coleslaw salad. Like that. Guys, this is a really good coleslaw salad. What makes it really special is that taste of apple, the lemon, and the well, the pepper just adds color, and of course there's a lot of nutrients in the bell pepper or the red pepper. So but what makes this coleslaw really special is the apple, guys, because you know, I don't know if you believe it, but an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So let's try to have an apple a day. I mean, not a lot of people likes apple, but if you are one of those people that loves apple, you guys should put apples in your coleslaw. So it's like this, then boom. There. Here you go. So you got this apple. Now let's put the apples on the top of our cabbage, like this and that. Okay, so this kind of pepper is what's abundant right now. Like it is very cheap right now to buy. So this is what I'm going to put in the coleslaw. So let's chop this up. Like you don't even need a lot of this, just a little bit. There. See, there's hardly any seeds in this one, which is really nice. Okay, now let's cut them nice and thin. Let's use the bigger knife. There you go. And a little bit more. So we got the pepper. So let's put it on. So we got the pepper here now, right there. So now we can mix it again, guys. There. So you see, guys, this coleslaw is really special. You know, the fruit, how can you not have this? You got fruit, a vegetable, and it's loaded with lots and lots of nutrients and vitamins, guys. So this is something that we really should be eating every day. Okay, there you go. So now we're going to put our sauce, the dressing that I'm going to show you of what it is. Okay, guys? So now here we got our lemon that will go with our coleslaw. So let's slice our lemon. There we go. Like that. Okay. So now, guys, I got a bowl here. So this is where I'm going to put the dressing, because our coleslaw would need a little bit of creamy sauce. So we're going to use this coleslaw dressing, and we don't need a lot. You just need a little bit. Like 4 tablespoons of this is only like 14 grams of fat because this is a low fat. So 1 tablespoon is equivalent to 3.5 grams of fat, which is not too bad, guys. And the sugar, it's only 3 grams. So if you times it into 4 tablespoons, then it will be 12. So it's still not bad. So we're going to use about 4 tablespoons. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of estimate. So I think that's a 4 tablespoons right there. So you see, guys, I think yes. So here's a 4 tablespoons. That's like an estimate. So I'm going to squeeze in a lot of lemon into this. So let's take the seed. There you go. So this is the secret. Put lots of lemon in it instead of putting a lot of creamy dressing like that. We'll add more. So now we're gonna mix, and let's put some pepper. There you go. Let's add more pepper. I love pepper in the coleslaw. Pepper is what gives us that nice flavor too, right? There you go. Okay, so now we're gonna toss this salad dressing or coleslaw dressing in our coleslaw. So here's our dressing. So now it's time to put them on. So we're just gonna spread it all in everywhere. There you go. There. So now we're gonna toss everything here. Just like that. You can add a lot of lemon in it. It's what gives you that satisfying taste of this coleslaw salad together with the sweetness of the apple. There we go. See, guys? That's it. Our coleslaw salad with apple is done. So guys, one of the best thing to do when you're eating a coleslaw is to really make sure that you chill the coleslaw. It is really good if it's chilled. So I'm going to put this in the fridge till later, and we're going to enjoy this nice coleslaw. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.